Hello fan collectors, and today I'd like to show you an antique brass Sears ceiling fan from the 80s. And this strikingly resembles the 1895 series by Emerson, which was very popular at the time. But the motor, however, is a direct drive spinner motor, and it's imported, unlike the Emerson, which uses a KB55 motor. But a lot of the cosmetic features are the same as an 1895. With the canopy, it's got an Emerson mounting system from the 1980s. And there's the sideband, has the same kind of vent pattern. And the blade arms are the same heart-shaped blade arms that curve inward. It's got nice walnut finish blades. And they're reversible to stencil. Don't know how well you can see it, but the other side is stencil. And it has a slightly wider switch housing than the Emerson 1895 that I've noticed, because the switch cap doesn't retrofit an actual 1895. And it is light kit adaptable, and it is reversible. See the switch on the side. And the ceiling fan does come equipped with 3 speeds. And now I'd like to rev it up for you. Start out on low. Got a little bit of a hum to it, but nothing terrible. Medium. Starting to gain more momentum. And now we will try it on high. Has a slight bearing noise, but can't really hear it. Moves a decent amount of air on high. I'm feeling a draft. Maybe not as much as I would on a real 1895 per se, but there, put up. And I think we will power down now. See how long this sucker takes to spin down. See if the bearings are really that bad. Okay, fan has stopped. Thank you for watching. More to come.